Brandenburg Gate stands at the western edge of Berlin's historic center. Built between 1788 and 1791, it was designed as a neoclassical city gate inspired by ancient Greek architecture. The quadriga on top, a chariot drawn by 4 horses, symbolizes peace, though its meaning changed several times throughout history. In the 19th century, the gate became a symbol of Prussian power. During the Cold War, it stood directly beside the Berlin Wall, inaccessible and isolated in the border zone between East and West Berlin. For decades, it represented division. On November 9, 1989, as the Berlin Wall fell, the Brandenburg Gate transformed from a symbol of separation into one of unity. Today, it is one of Germany's most recognizable landmarks, a place for visitors, political events, and national celebrations. Here, history is not hidden. It stands in stone, open to the city once again. A city glimpse, stuff in Berlin.